ID body one full kit, but it has no gun.
Bro. Of course there was another fucking one on that body.
Yeah, and the naked ran with the shit. Then he died to the guys who got shot by. Where is the AK kit?
Bro, I think they lost his raid already. It's in the gatehouse somewhere. Take it down to turrets. I just spawned
No,
the
I have 2 AKs, dude. I just nailed gun 2 guys.
I'm coming.
You can pick them up. You can loot them. You can loot them. There's 2 dead bodies on you,
I
Steve.
have full AK.
Hug the compound and you're gonna find my black kid. Just black naked body. You're right on it. You got it, Johnny, right?
This is not right.
Run.
I'm going.
Wait, naked this guy. I can get it.
130. You got this. There's so many bodies there.
I got AK.
Wait, man.
Run, Steve.
Shit.
I got another AK. I'm running. Steve, run. Don't even. Go. I'm gonna take my kid off. I'm gonna take your kid off. Yeah, I'm gonna run with the rock.
Johnny, on them walls right there. There's so many bodies.
No, I got
David, we only have one door, by the way.
Doesn't matter. They don't know. Like, they literally don't know.
Bro, they're still like killing each other.
Come to me, man. Look, man.
You got gear on you?
Nail
Oh my god, look at that box.
Nah, there's so many guys.
I'm gonna go again. Go Nick.
Wait, it might.